Hey guys, Hank with Ceramic Pro Daytona. We've got a brand new 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser, first edition. I just wanted to show you guys how we go about removing this door panel so we can get this seal or this gasket out for window tinting. So on these, we've got one panel to remove right here, and then of course the one right behind the door handle. So we'll just pop this out. So you got two Phillips head screws right here, and then right back in here, one Phillips head right there. So once you remove those, door panel will pop off just like anything else. All right, so we'll come down here, grab yourself a hard card or a pry tool, and this door seal is actually connected to the top, so it doesn't hang on top. It's actually just got clips in there. There we go. So you just pop this right out, and you're good to tint it.